Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to make crispy potato chips. It is a crispy and easy recipe. Let's start. Peel the skin of one potato and slice it. Now add the sliced potatoes to a bowl. Including 1 cup of water and soak it. Keep it aside. Now add tissues in a plate. Place the potatoes on top of them. And place tissues top of them. And press them to dry. Let the potatoes dry for a few minutes. Keep it aside. Heat a fry pan and add oil. Add the potatoes into the oil. Fry it until golden yellow. Now add some salt. And some chili powder. Now your crispy potato chips are ready. Try it. It's so crispy and tasty. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.